Wait, I'm just trying to find a good ringtone, okay?
Oh, that's annoying. That one's fucking irritating.
How about some GTA 5 ringtones?
Yeah.
Use that one. That's a pretty funny ringtone.
Pick something.
I can't, there's too many choices.
There, that'll do.
To the bone.
Alright, Piggy, you got 1 minute to build something. Alright, we're gonna turn around, and as soon as you hear this ringtone, time is up.
Uh-oh.
Alright? And then we have to guess what you made.
Okay. Hold on, I got a phone call. Let's see who it is. Oh, look, it's my mom. She says she's making chicken.
Time's up.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Tyler, no.
Don't,
What?
I think it says...
What? No!
That thing's a piece of shit. And now you're gonna die.
Hey, it's beautiful. Look at it.
He's still alive.
That one's dead. Done shot him with a rocket. Exploded his head.
Oh, God. What the fuck? Where did he go?